Hello fans, welcome to my YouTube channel Quick Amazon Review, and welcome to my this review a Revlon on step hair dryer. I will share my honest opinion in this review video. Now at the first you have to know the summary of this hair dryer, and you see the hair type, it's all okay. Then the color, and you will get black, pink, red, rainbow and mint, all are available inside Amazon. Then you see the brand, it's Revlon, and the material is nylon, and it's the weight, it's totally light, very light, and the price, it's 40, okay, 40 USD. And if you asked my recommendation, then yes. And why yes, I will show you step by step. Okay, now see the manufacturer of this Revlon hair dryer. Okay, you can see the manufacturer, all the images here. Okay, it's super qualityful, and it's perfect for everyone, every kind of hair. Okay, it's manufactured by featuring all the qualities. Okay, now you will get the information about this hair dryer. Okay, you see the first, the product dimension, how the weight, this height, this weight, you see here is 4.1 into 11.4 into 10.1 inch, and it's 1.8 pounds, it's so light. Okay, you see here the item weight, it's 1.8, okay, 1.8 pound. Then the manufacturer place, it's Helen of Troy, and the domestic shipping, it's uh, within uh, inside USA, it's shipped for without any obstacles. But in the case of international shipping, you have to check the Amazon. You see here, you have to check the Amazon which country is able to ship this hair dryer. Okay, and it's the item, the model, sorry, the country of origin, it's China. Okay, then the item of model, it's RVW RVDR 5222. Okay, now some important question of other customers. Okay, if you face these questions when you use this hair dryer, then you can get it. This, is it good for 220 volt? Okay, no, it is for 120 volt, it can't work on 220 volt. Okay, but if you can buy a converter, then it works great. Then how easy to use? I loved this pillow dryer for its simplicity and easy to use. I would use it every week on wash day and for incredible results. Okay, and is there any safety information? Okay, don't wrap code around until when you in not in use or while in storage, as this will cause wear on the code. So guys, that's all the basic information, the basic review of this Revlon hair dryer. And if you want to get it, then check my video description, then you will get all the information inside here, and you will get all the sale here, then all the menu pictures here, all the product description here, then other people's reviews here, and all this. So guys, that's it. And if you really love my review, then like it, and if you want to get more Amazon products review, then subscribe my YouTube channel Quick Amazon Review. And I am Rajibhadra. I am always with you to make new updated reviews inside this Quick Amazon Review website YouTube channel. So guys, that's it. Bye.